Hey friends, so you have gotten to the community activity where you are going to listen to Mrs. Prifty read The Cool Bean, and then you're going to complete an activity about the book. So you've listened to it, and now it's time to open the document. So in here, you're going to click the link to open the Cool Bean activity. It's going to open a Google slide where it says The Cool Bean Activity, Prifty, but from here, yours is going to say View Only. Now, to do the activity, you need it to be in a way that you can edit it. So to do that, you're going to File, make a copy of the entire presentation. You'll get a new document box. You're going to delete Copy Of and put your name. So that will say something like Matthew, the Cool Bean Activity, or Caleb, the Cool Bean Activity, or Haley, the Cool Bean Activity. Once you have that, hit OK. And you'll get a new tab that opens up with the document that you can write on. And from here, you'll be able to follow the directions. There's little check marks here to drag to which box you want to check off. You'll have text box that you can write in to answer the questions. And that will be your activity. So make sure you go through it. My video will talk about it a bit. When you're done, you can hit share and then type in my name to send it back to me. So it's right there. You can type Prifti. It'll be Caitlin Prifty, Kprifty at ellingtonschools.net. A little picture of Hunty. And you can click it and send it back to me. Okay? So I hope that helps. I hope you're able to do it, and I can't wait to see your work.